Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So today, this video is going to be somewhat self-indulgent, but also a public service announcement of sorts. If you've ever heard of the store Burlington, or what used to be Burlington Coat Factory, it's very underrated. One thing that's really funny is when you're in the aisle there and somebody says, "I thought Burlington only sold coats." They sell a wide variety of items. They have a baby department, there's men's section, women's section, children's section, school uniforms, formal wear, lots of shoes, homeware, skincare, jewelry, just a vast selection of items, and they are good quality and very reasonably priced. So today's video is Burlington Haul Part 1. I'm going to show you some nice accessories, specifically jewelry and purses and wallets, and many of these items I've accumulated over a period of time. So let's get into it. So the first one I want to show you is this cute wallet from Enzo Agolini. Never heard of him, but clearly he's a good designer. It's very simple but elegant. It has a few different finishes here, but they all blend together very well. This is what the back of it looks like. And let's take a look on the inside. So here we see a lot of compartments for like credit cards. There's a compartment here, a couple of things here, all these compartments here. I actually use this case to carry my cell phone, and it fits very comfortably in here, and then I just zip it up. And when I don't want to carry a regular purse or handbag, I just take everything in this. Next wallet I want to show you is this nice silver one from Rampage. Why not give them their flowers, okay? Because they put a lot of work into doing these things. So that's the back of it. The front has a little pocket here. Let's open this, and it's a traditional wallet here. Has room for your credit cards, lots of little compartments here, more room for credit cards right here. So this is the other wallet that I got. Now let's start on the purses. I got this one. This is one that I typically strap over my shoulder when I'm traveling. It's nice when you have to go for long walks or things like that. This is very convenient. It's small and has compartment here. Nice room in there. I have room to bring my umbrella, water bottle, things like that. So this one I use quite a bit, so it's a little bit more worn than the others I'm going to show you, and it comes with the strap, of course, that you can adjust. I also got the same one in a nice brown here. I figured why not? They were not expensive at all. I personally prefer to purchase handbags that just appeal to me aesthetically, and oftentimes those are the lower priced items, and yeah, that's just how it is. So I don't go for the really expensive things. One, they're overpriced, and two, why? When you can find cute purses made just as well, some even better than the higher priced ones. So again, this is the same as the one I showed you, but it's just in a brown and stitched with a lighter color here. So that's that. Let me show you this really fun one. This is a Lily Bloom purse, and it's very colorful and fun, whimsical, has a lot of compartments here, and the craftsmanship is really good. Materials are really good and solid, and this is just really fun to have, especially in the summertime. Next, I got this cute Puma bag. It's a nice black with a little bit of a purple or violet sheer finish. It has a zipper down the center here with the Puma logo is on there. And you may or may not see something like this when you do go. So the top of it has a nice sturdy drawstring here. And the back of it has the same strings as the backpack. Inside is quite spacious. And this is great for sportswear, dancewear, you know, anything, just about anything. It's not, the bottom of it is not super sturdy, meaning that it doesn't necessarily hold the shape if you put something heavy in there, but it's really great, lightweight and very cute. So I also wanted to show you this other purse here. It's nice silver. It's like a crackled finish. The brand is Catherine Malandrino, Paris. So Catherine, nice job with this bag. I love it. It's so spacious, very lightweight. It's got the black handles here. And inside, I use this quite a lot, so let me clean it out. So inside you can see it's a nice cloth finish here, pockets, some other compartments there, and very, very spacious. So I love traveling with this one, or just anytime I have to run some errands and I want to keep it stylish. And yeah, it's very nice. So nice job, Catherine. So next, I want to show you this cutie. So that's the logo for it. Nice gold-plated logo here attached to it. And it's a nice, it looks kind of like a cross between cream and maybe a blush. Has a nice compartment here on the side. Very stylish looking. And on the inside, I just want to show you. Look at all that paper I'm taking out, so it's quite roomy in there. Quite roomy. And you can see on the inside it's got a large compartment here. It's got a zipper here to store stuff in that region, and another compartment with some little pockets here. So very, very stylish and cute. And next, this lovely bag from Adrienne Vittadini. So Adrienne, super nice job with this lovely little purse here. Look how cute that is. It's not really adjustable or anything, it's just for style. I think there's the pocket here, you can put stuff in there, but not much. But look how cute this is. Look how cute. Nice zipper in the back here. Decent size. See what's going on the inside. Nice space. It's got the strap, so you can either use it with the strap or without. And you can see it's quite roomy in there. I don't know if you can see that. And we've got compartment here, other compartments here. So very, very nice. Nice job, Adrienne. Why not give them their flowers? They do hard work too. So next we have this lovely one. I haven't even taken the protection here, guard here. This one is from Christian Lacroix. Okay, look how lovely this purse is. I still have the plastic on the straps here, but look how cute this purse is. Very stylish. And I'm not sure if they're real leather, but very, very nice job. And because I like purses so much, to me it really doesn't matter if they're leather or not, as long as they look good. That's what I go for. They look good by my standards, because everybody has different standards. So let's see what's going on the inside. We have this lovely protective case here, very nice. So when you want to store it, you can put it in the protective case. Let's see what's happening on the inside. Lots of paper. And when I'm not using my purses, I like to keep the paper in it because it helps to maintain the original shape. So we have a nice polka dot finish on the inside. The logo is super cute. And nice compartment here. Very spacious. And 2 more compartments here. So very wonderful job, Christian. This is beautiful. Very cute and really inexpensive. I don't remember what I paid for it because I yanked the tags off, but very, very affordable. So next, backpacks. So this little cutie is by Nine West. That's a more known brand. So they carry different brands. They carry high-end and lesser known designers. But they're very, very, very talented. So here we have, this is a front area with a cute snap here. That's the back. Okay. And on the inside, we have a nice big compartment here. Here is another compartment here. Here's another compartment here, and some other smaller ones. And in the back, it also has another compartment here with a little zipper area for smaller items, but super, super cute. And I love the color. It's like a deep, I guess you would consider it a deep cream, not quite blush, but it's very neutral, and I just love it. And it's stylish enough to dress up a casual outfit. Also, if you're going somewhere a little more dressy, you could still take it and it still would be appropriate. And the last purse that I want to show you is another Nine West one. Super, super cute. I just love this. And it has the pockets on the side here. Let's see. And they're roomy enough that you can store some smaller items there. And I just love the simpleness of it. The color is just really great. On the back side of it, it has these hook things here that you can essentially just take them off if you want to just carry the purse as a handheld, but these keep it as a backpack. All right. And on the back here, we see another cute pocket, decent size for smaller items. On the inside, very spacious, very, very spacious. And we have a zipper compartment here and some smaller compartments here. So really, really cute backpack slash handheld purse from Nine West. Okay guys, to finish off the accessories video, I just wanted to show you a few pieces of jewelry and other accessories that I got. So let's start off with this beautiful necklace and earring set here. Look how lovely that is. And it has the earrings. So that's that one. And then we have this other really nice blue one here. This is perfect to go with jeans or anything along that color scheme. And of course the earrings that go with it. I got these silver plated earrings, very simple but fancy also. Very nice accessory to dress up any casual wear. I also have this lovely rust colored one with other neutral tones. Beautiful, I love it. I just love it. This is one of my favorite colors, so I couldn't resist. And of course the earrings to go with it. I personally am not much for gold or silver. I like fashion jewelry, so these pieces are just perfect for me. I also got this very whimsical little bracelet here. Also a nice accessory just to dress up any casual wear. Very cute. I also have these bangles. This came as a whole set together. It's a combination of silver and gold and pewter toned bangles. Very nice. You can separate them or wear them all together. Very cute. I attach them together with this ribbon, but it goes nicely with it. So very, very cute. And the bracelet also is very cute. I also have this set here. It's a set of a bracelet and a watch, and it comes in this nice packaging here. Not many people wear watches these days because you have cell phones and things like that, but this is just a nice set. Let's see if I can get this off easily here. I have very skinny wrists, so you get the idea. Very nice. Simple in its own way, but it says it has genuine crystals on there, so it's a nice set. Nice set. Okay. And I have these sunglasses here. Very, very cute. Neutral toned, but just very, very stylish. And of course I had to get a nice case for it. This is very cute. Very cute. And it just fits in there just like that. I also have another pair of sunglasses here. Very stylish, also very neutral toned, but very stylish. And the case for that one is this rose gold. It has a little bit of a shimmer on it. You can see that, but very, very nice. Very nice. So there you have it, guys. Part 1 of my Burlington haul. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be showing you shoes. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.